Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday, almost Friday. Remember that every Thursday is a great day. Today is a beautiful day. Let's get started with what we are going to do today. So first of all, our book talk. Our book talk right here, it is a book called Nyxia. It is about a group of teenagers who have been selected to go to a distant planet to mine this substance called Nyxia. And Nyxia is super powerful. It can kind of like become anything that you want it to become, anything that you need it to become. It's super, super valuable. But the recruits are also battling each other for who is going to get to go to the planet. There's I think 12 of them that go, but only 10 of them get to stay and mine the Nyxia. So it's like a competition in space for this really valuable substance. Really interesting, kind of crazy stuff, very creative book. So that's Nyxia by Scott Rangen. So if you are interested in that, email me. Okay, returning to our essential question of this unit. Excuse me. Why do some people possess the character or drive to help others? Okay, so again, as you are reading and deciphering and depicting this week's article, have that question in the back of your mind. Okay, so this right here, the write a multi-paragraph essay, that's the whole entire reflection. But what we're focusing on today are the middle paragraphs. And you're going to have two. I'm just going to say that. So you're going to answer the two questions given, and they're given a couple of slides down in two separate paragraphs. Each paragraph will only be about 3 to 4 sentences, okay? You have 3 parts to the paragraph, and I'm going to go over those in a second. Okay, so there's 4 parts, but there's 3, the R and the A go together. Okay, sorry. I also just want to remind you to highlight direct quotes from the text. Okay, so anytime you take some information from the text, you're going to highlight it in your doc. Okay, that way I can see what was taken from the text easily. All right, so this is the race format. This is super, super duper important. And I should be able to look at your paper and see the R, the A, the C, and the E like that. You should not have anything else in the paragraph. Okay, so first of all, you're going to restate the question and answer the question. You are going to combine these two things into one sentence. This is basically just you answering the question in a complete sentence. Okay, so the R and the A can be combined into the same sentence. They should be. Okay, so very much right away, you're going to restate the question, answer the question, otherwise known as answering the question in a complete sentence. Okay, then you're going to go to the C, which is where you cite evidence. You find something in the text, a direct line from the text that supports your answer. Okay, so for instance, if your answer or the question was, what color was the sky? You say the color of the sky was blue. That would be R and A. And then with C, with citing the evidence, you would say something like, according to the text, Bob said that the color of the sky was a beautiful blue. Okay. And so when I would explain it, I would say something like, this directly shows that the color of the sky was blue. All right. So with the E, after you cite the evidence, you put into your own words how the text supports your answer. You explain it. Okay. This link right here where it says race method will take you to a more in-depth look at the race method if you're interested in that. All right. The last slide, that last academic slide here today is the 2 questions that you're going to answer today. All right. So the first one is, what do you think held the people on the platform back from taking action before the man fell? So if you'll remember back to the beginning of the article, they talked about he was kind of like swaying and kind of close to the subway tracks. Why didn't anyone do anything before he fell? Okay, so you would start your sentence answering it in a complete sentence. I don't think people helped the man before he fell because, and you'll say your reason. Then you'll cite some evidence and you'll explain that evidence. Okay, 3 parts. The next question says, after the rescue, Mr. Capuzzo texted his mother and girlfriend saying, Guy fell, so I had to jump on the tracks. Okay. What does this statement reveal regarding the mindset of heroic people? So you might write something like, Mr. Capuzzo's text, and you can put it in there or not. You can decide how to shape your sentence. Revealed that he thought da-da-da-da-da, which is the mindset of historical, or I keep saying that, heroic people, okay? Then you'll find text evidence to support that. Then you will explain the evidence. Okay, I hope that is super clear to everybody. The first one's a little bit easier. This one, the second one, you have a little more words that you kind of have to weed through and decipher, but you can do it. I know you can. All right. So that is what you are doing today. Hopefully you wrote your objective summary yesterday. You're writing 2 short paragraphs today, continuing in the doc that you have been assigned on Otis, okay? And then tomorrow, all you'll have to do is write your opinion paragraph, okay? Which is usually the easiest part. All right, and then here's just a little life advice for you. Work hard, be so good they can't ignore you. Keep up your morals and stick to your integrity. This is so important right now when life is hard for a lot of people. Distance learning is hard, okay? To be the best you can be and to take your life and your integrity and who you are into your own hands. So anyway, have a great day. Get your work done. Read books, and I will see you tomorrow.